In this video, I'll show you how to revert to a previous version in Base44. Once you are on your Base44 account, the first step is to head over to the application that you want to work on. So on the navigation panel on the left-hand side, head over to the bottom and choose All Apps. That will take you to the list of all of your applications, and from here, you want to choose the application that you want to work on. This will be CalcSnake Pro. It will take you to the editor or the preview of your application. Now, to revert to a previous version, what you can do is head over to the top and left corner within the chat box. From here, within the chat box on the right hand side, you have three options, which is to hide the chat panel, you can collapse it, to change the theme, and in here you have here a small clock with an arrow going back. This is the version history. Now, once you click on the version history, at the bottom, this is where you can choose the exact version that you want. So from here, let's say I want to go back 3 days ago, which is the calculator controlled Pac-Man. Now, once you click on that, on the right-hand side, it will automatically show you the small preview of the application. And at the top in the right corner, you can view the code, you can restore this version, or you can publish this version instead. Since we want to revert, simply click on restore this version. That will open this pop-up at the bottom, choose revert. And once that's done, it will take some time to restore. And once it's done, as you can see, it will automatically revert back to the old version of your application. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.